Now let's do skill building. This is we call it word building. Okay. Do this every line, make it twice, 2 times every line, and then type it again, the whole thing. So we start with A space D space D space A L space L add all. So type that again, A 2 times, okay? Okay. The next one is A. A, SSS, KKK, ask, DDD, D, ask, that. So you type this line again twice. I'm not gonna type it anymore. You know what to do it 2 times every line. Okay, we're gonna go next. LLL space A EDD that FFF AAA space DDD pad. Okay, type that twice. Enter key. Next is AAA DDD colon add colon AAA SSS colon let's hold on, that five. Okay, enter key. Type that twice. AADD EASS colon la colon on span. Okay. Next one, let's go with F space FA pad semicolon space AS, okay, semicolon D SA. Now let's, sorry, it's SA sad semicolon. Yeah, type that so type that twice, enter key. Next is L A semicolon LS semicolon F FA S sad, enter key. Type that twice, and then A add oh sorry, semicolon space L A semicolon A and semicolon, enter key. So type this every line, type it twice, and then type it again. Okay, type 2 times again or 3 times if you want. So now let's go with braces. Okay, so let's do the braces. Like type this DAD space ask semicolon ask A semicolon dot ask K A semicolon ask A, enter key. A 4 A last semicolon ask A ask, enter key. Okay, this time try to time yourself. Take 2 1-minute timings. Try to complete both lines each time. Okay. Our goal is at least 10 words per minute. 10 words per minute. And with 3 errors only. Okay, so it goes like this: A S A said semicolon and said semicolon add a salad semicolon ask a dead semicolon. Okay, so take 2 1-minute timings. Try to complete both lines each time. Okay, that's the end of our lesson 1.